I thought I had to be an expert to start. I was so wrong. No experience, no problem. Turn your struggles into step by step success. Ever feel like you're the only one who doesn't get it when people talk about making money online? I know I felt like that. I used to believe I wasn't qualified. I was too old, not tech savvy, definitely not an expert. Every time I saw someone online making money, I thought, that's great for them, but I have no idea how to even start. And I know I'm not the only one who's felt that way. The truth is, most of us were never taught how to build income outside a job. We're trained to wait to be picked, to get degrees, to work harder and earn approval. But digital income doesn't work like that at all. You don't need approval. You need a process. When I realized that expertise isn't required, but a blueprint and mentor is, everything for me changed. I stopped trying to figure it out and followed something proven. And now I work about 2 to 3 hours a day from my phone or iPad, fully automated, no selling, and no cold DMs. 3 simple steps. 1, plug into the system. You don't start from scratch. You get a full, done for you structure. Plug in. Website ready, email sequencer already set, and video education included. 2, follow the training. Every click, every setup, every strategy, all shown step by step. Learn at your pace. Ask questions anytime. No pressure, just progress. 3, start sharing your link. Use social media. No ads required to share what's changing your life. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Let the system do the rest. You earn 100% profit on every sale. You're not too late and you're not too old. And you absolutely don't need to be an expert. You just need a clear path and someone to walk it with you. That's what I do. Comment ready if you're done waiting to be qualified. Part 2 is next. What if you could skip the hardest parts? We'll talk about how the system removes all the guesswork. Trust me, this is where the light bulb really goes off. Hope to see you there.